Dear students, we are continuing lesson number 8, the internet and introduction. Children, last time we discussed definition of internet and its some uses. Internet is what? Internet is a network that connects millions of computers, electronic devices all over the world. It can be wired connection or wireless connections, and people can share their informations, communicate with each other from anywhere in the world. Children, it is also known as a super network because it connects many small networks and make a big network. We can exchange the information in form of text. We can also share videos, audios, graphs, images with each other. Children, internet is very useful for searching the information. On internet we have millions of websites. On websites we have informations. We can find information on any topic that we want to search. Like we can find out information about politics. If we have an interest in sports, we can find out information about the events, sports personalities, types of sports. We can find out information about various educational institutions of the world, online courses. We can also find out information about latest science technologies. So there are lots of information available for everyone and we can easily find the information. We don't have to go anywhere. We just have to use our laptop, mobile and computer. हम अपने मोबाइल, लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर की हेल्प से इंफॉर्मेशन को सर्च कर सकते हैं ऑन इंटरनेट. एंड चिल्ड्रन, गूगल सर्च इंजन इज़ वेरी मच पॉपुलर. हम गूगल सर्च इंजन की हेल्प से किसी भी टॉपिक पे इंफॉर्मेशन को सर्च कर सकते हैं. न्यूज़. Nowadays online newspaper facilities are available. We can read the news online and we can just keep us update with latest happenings around the world. Also on every type of events, incidents, we find out text method is there, audios available, videos are available. Whenever we have a time, we can watch the videos, we can listen the audios and keep us updates. And also children, we can just read the newspaper of different languages. We don't have to buy the newspaper. हमें newspaper को purchase करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और we don't have to carry the newspaper with us. Anywhere, anytime, whenever we are free, we can just read the news online and it always keep us updates. Art and entertainment. Children, on internet, we find out various forms of entertainments are available. We can watch online movies. We can also download the movies. We can play online games with our friends. We can download some games, and whenever we are free, we are sad, we can enjoy by playing the games, watching the movies. We can listen songs. Also, if we have interest in reading, we can read stories, novels, articles, jokes. If we have interest in arts, we can just learn art styles. Various types of websites are available. Various experts websites are available. We can take their help. We can also see the videos, learn about different types of arts in field of painting, music, dance, photography. Online courses and classes are also available. We can join the online classes, courses. Online shopping. Children, online shopping is a shopping through the internet. That is also known as e-shopping. Internet provides us facility of buying the goods. We can buy anything. We can buy books, clothes, electronic gadgets, products, home appliances. And children, for buying, we don't have to go to the shop to see the product. We just use our phone, laptop, computers, and we can buy anything. Even we find out varieties of brands and models are available. We just select and we can just buy. And the companies that have a website like Amazon, Myntra, eBay, they just deliver that product to our home. So it saves our time. Mailing letters. Children, earlier times we used postcard. You remember postmen come to deliver the postcard letters to our home. So nowadays we don't have to use this postcard system, courier service, because it takes times to deliver the letter information. We can use electronic mail facility. It is a mailing service that is provided through the internet. Within a second, we can send and receive messages over the internet. Also, we can attach pictures, videos, audios with our mail. And nowadays, Gmail service is very much popular. It also saves the time and paper also. Health and fitness. Children, on internet, we can find out information about various types of diseases, medicines. If we like, we can just take the help of doctors, experts. There are lots of websites are available that give us information about the diseases, treatments, symptoms. We can keep us update. Also, nowadays, world famous hospitals, doctors, they have their websites. We can take their services by just using the websites. We can just contact them, communicate with them, and we can take their advices whenever we want. If we are fitness conscious, then there are videos are available. We can just see the videos and understand how should we do the exercise properly. Even fitness trainers are have their own websites. We can just communicate with them also and keep us healthy and fit. Tourism and travel. Children, if we like to visit to different parts of the world, we like different places to visit, then we don't have to just use the books. We don't have to ask to each other that about the different tourist places and how can we reach there, how can we book the hotels, how can we just book the taxis. We just go the internet and we can find out information how can we do the online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets. Also nowadays some websites are very much popular like Make My Trip, yatra.com, that help us to plan our trip. We have to just take their services and we can plan our trip and we can visit to different tourist places in the world. Chatting. Children, chatting, instant messaging, these services allow us to instantly communicate with each other on the internet. Instantly means immediately. अगर हमने कुछ मैसेज लिखा तो immediately हमें मैसेज मिल जाएगा, just like a telephone call. Also, we can just do text chatting and video chatting. We can just see the person and we can do chatting. We can also share audio, videos with each other. And you know, WhatsApp is also just giving us this facility. Banking operation. Children, using internet, e-banking is also very much popular. In e-banking, children, customers don't have to visit to the bank. They can just use the banking facility through the internet. They can do their financial transactions through the websites or app like Yono app. They just have to log into their bank account. They can pay bills of electricity, water, mobile phones. They can transfer money from one account to another account. Even we can do online shopping. And children, ATM machines are also giving us facility of e-banking. We can withdraw the money from ATMs. And nowadays Google Pay, Paytm and other online platforms are also available for transferring the money. So we don't have to go to the bank to do our work. It saves our time. Video conferencing. Children, in video conferencing we do face-to-face communication with others from the different locations. Only what we need for video conferencing, we need a display screen like mobile screen, laptop screen, web cameras, the cameras that are inbuilt in mobiles, speakers to listen, microphone for speaking. If all these features are available, we can do video conferencing and we can communicate with the other persons that are far from us, and we are doing this with the help of mobile. Nowadays mobile we are using for video conferencing, and you know online learning is possible with the help of video conferencing. Teachers and students can interact with each other. टीचर्स जो है एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं, क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, एंड ऑनलाइन लर्निंग इज़ पॉसिबल. We can also just communicate with our friends, relatives that are just far from us. We can also nowadays just attend the family functions, celebrations. So video conferencing is keeping in contact with our relatives, with our near ones. Thank you.